Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this next lecture. In this video, we are going to discuss about design for manufacturing. Let's first understand the manufacturing costs. So manufacturing costs can be uh, divided into three major parts. That is the cost of the components which we are using for the manufacturing. Then the assembly cost, the components uh, that will be assembled together. So there will be cost involved regarding to that. And then the overhead costs. So the component costs can be further divided into two parts, that is standard component and custom component. Many standard components are already available in the market, which we can directly purchase. But if that standard product is not feasible in our assembly, then we have to get customized component, and that we have to uh, uh, get it done by some other sources. Okay, so the other sources will include the raw material cost, the processing cost, and the tooling cost. So these three costs will be further included if we use any custom component. Okay, so these costs are associated with the component costs, which get incorporated in the manufacturing cost. Now, under the assembly, there can be two type of costings. That is labor cost. We have to pay something to the labor to do our work, and then the equipment and tool which is being used in order to do the assembly. Okay, so these two costs are uh, comprise the assembly cost. And the overhead cost, what can be the overhead cost? It can be the support from various staff from various institutions, government institutions, private institutions, and so on, and indirect allocation. Okay, so these can be the overhead cost. So uh, this is how uh, all these costs are included in order to manufacturing something. Okay, if we manufacture something and uh, bring it to the market, we have to decide the selling price of that product, and that selling price will be decided by keeping all these costs in mind. Okay, okay, let's go to the definition of design for manufacturing. Design for manufacturing is a development practice emphasizing manufacturing issues throughout the product development process. The successful design for manufacturing results in lower production cost without sacrificing product quality. So if design for manufacturing we have done it successfully, then it yields the result which comprises of the lower production cost and higher quality. Okay, so if we implement this design for manufacturing properly, we'll get better quality product and at lower cost. All right. So the design for manufacturing is a practice which emphasizes the manufacturing issues throughout the product development process. So during the entire product development process, the design for manufacturing is a practice which focuses on the manufacturing issues. Okay, so whatever the issues are there, we need to sort those issues out and give the product the best quality with lower production cost or lower manufacturing cost. So this is what the focus of design for manufacturing is. All right. Design for manufacturing is the part of DFX. DFM, design for manufacturing, often requires a cross-function team. Okay, what is a cross-function team? So in an industry, there are various departments: the production department, the planning department, the manufacturing department, and so on. Okay, so if we want to reduce the cost and bring the best quality within the reduced cost, then all those teams have to come together to work on the product. Okay, so this is what is known as cross function team. All right, or from different teams, some particular members can be selected and they will coordinate with each other in order to uh, understand the problems of other departments and uh, solve them within their department. Okay, DFM is performed throughout the development process. So, and through the entire development process, the design for manufacturing is performed. All right. So, what are the objectives, major objectives of design for manufacturing? That is to reduce the component cost, reduce the assembly cost, and reduce production support cost. So, uh, majorly the focus of design for manufacturing is to reduce the cost throughout the product development process. All right. So, this is it for today. In the further lectures, we'll do the further study of design for manufacturing. Thank you.